Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today we're going to talk about expected value. Now, rather than giving you a definition, I'm just going to start with an example. So let's say that we're playing a game that involves throwing a die. Now, if you throw, let's say, an even number, then you will win $10. However, if an odd number is thrown, then you're going to lose $6. So if I asked you a question, if I said, how much on average would you win or lose per game, per dice throw? Now that is basically another way of asking the expected value. And that is, if we play this game a lot, if you throw the die, if you keep throwing the die for a very long time and you keep winning $10 if an even number is thrown and you keep losing $6 if an odd number is thrown, what is the average outcome of money won or lost? Okay, so we call that the expected value. So to calculate that, the formula is this. Now, if you come across this formula for the first time, you'll probably be a little bit confused. But basically, it just means that the expected value is equal to the sum of each individual x value times by the probability of this x value occurring. So what that means is you win $10 if an even number is thrown. So the probability of getting $10 is a half, right? Because on a die, half the numbers are even, 2, 4, 6. The probability of losing $6, so -6, is also a half. So each of these money amounts are x values. That's an x value. That's an x value. These are all x values. And these are probabilities. So what you're going to do is multiply each x value by its probability. So 10 times a half plus, right? That's what the sum symbol means. Add them together. Plus -6 times a half. And what's the answer? The answer is $2. Winnings. $2 won per throw, right? If you kept playing this game, then on average, you're probably going to win $2 per throw. So let's do a few more examples. So let's say that you're drawing some marbles out of a box. And let's say there are green marbles, yellow marbles, and blue marbles. Now, let's give each colored marble a number. Let's say there are 7 yellow marbles, 6 green marbles, and 5 blue marbles. Now, let's say if you draw out a yellow marble, you get $30. If you draw out a green marble, you win $20. And if you draw out a blue marble, you will lose $25. Okay, so what is your expected value? Which also means that how much on average would you win per round every time you draw out a marble. So let's use the formula. Expected value equals the amount. So 30 is the amount you win for drawing a yellow marble. Now, what is the probability of getting 30? The probability is probability of getting these amounts. So 30 is 7 out of, what's 7 plus 6 plus 5? Alright, because that's how many marbles there are in total. 18. 7 out of 18. And the probability of getting a green marble is 6 out of 18. And then the probability of getting a blue marble is 5 out of 18. Okay, so the expected value is going to be 30 times 7 out of 18 plus 20 times 6 out of 18 plus 25 times 5 out of 18, and let's see what the answer is. The answer is $25.28. Feel free to let me know if you got a different answer. So that means that on average, this game, every time you draw out a marble, you're going to win $25. Isn't that a great game? Who wouldn't want to play it? Now, something doesn't quite make sense here, and that is that this should be a minus sign. So that should be a minus, and the answer here should be $11.39. That is your expected value. On average, you're going to win this amount per game. Right? I forgot the minus because I forgot that you actually lose money if you draw a blue ball, not win money. Okay. So there's not much more to expected value than that. I hope you guys understand what expected values are now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.